Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Snapchat and pinching the camera screen to reveal Snap Map. That gesture is faster than digging through menus. Once the map appears, tap the gear icon in the top right to open map settings so you can act. Choose Ghost Mode to stop sharing with everyone instantly, or pick Custom to keep sharing with some but remove specific people. Do this now so location updates stop being broadcast, while you continue with the precise friend-level changes next. Once in map settings, decide how you want privacy to work. If you need a quick fix, enable Ghost Mode and pick 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it off. This stops sharing instantly. If you prefer finer control, choose Custom and uncheck individual friends or groups so only allowed people still see your location. This is why Custom is better for long-term privacy. Make sure to tap back and watch for the confirmation, so your changes take effect right away. Now confirm the change. Open Snap Map again and make sure you appear as a ghost or that certain friends no longer see your pin. That visual check verifies success. If the location still seems visible, make sure Snapchat's location permission is set correctly in your phone settings and not set to always in ways you didn't expect. If problems persist, update or reinstall Snapchat, clear its cache, or restart your phone. These steps usually resolve bugs and restore the expected privacy behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.